Hi, Richard here. I'm back with the Panasonic DMC LX10. I got this online, and the reason is because it's got 4K and f1.4 aperture at its widest opening, which is suited for my unboxing and photography needs. So it's got a 1-inch sensor, and we shall look at it after the unboxing. Done. So that's the unboxing. You don't want to go through long details of pulling up some plastics and opening up box. Actually, this camera is very appealing to me because it's pocketable, and at the same time it's got the features that I look for. Right. So this LX10. I think there's many videos on this for about 2 years already, and it's got an articulating LCD screen with a f1.4 to 2.8 aperture. Well, nothing much to say on this except, I'm more to photography than video, but as I learn how to make more videos, I need a better camera, so that's why I ended up getting this one. It's small, pocketable, and has lots of features in terms of a compact camera. Panasonic included a lot of functions in this small little guy, and we'll be looking at more videos of its usage and photographs. So I'll be taking some outdoor photograph, maybe nature photographs, and maybe some street photos for this. So let's have a look when it power on.